Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So a common question that I get asked on YouTube is, Nick, how am I able to go out there and sell on Amazon FBA successfully with less than $1,000? So today guys, I'm going to be explaining how I would, if I had only $1,000, sell on Amazon FBA. So if that interests you, then make sure to stay tuned throughout this video. It's a revolution. Alright guys, my name is Nick. I am a 7-figure Amazon FBA seller. Now before we get into this video, I'm going to quickly show my Amazon seller account to you guys, and then we're going to get right back into the topic. Alright guys, so as of today, we're at $3,668 in sales and 102 units sold. Alright, so you can see it right there. We're just going to quickly pull the refresh for you guys. Alright, you can see the refresh. Alright guys, so I noticed we didn't get any more sales on the refresh. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be pulling another refresh so you guys can see how many sales I generate during the time of this video. Alright guys, so I hope that motivated a lot of you guys to start selling on Amazon and try to be successful with it. But today's video, we're going to challenge myself that if all my seller accounts were removed and I was given $1,000 of cash, how would I be able to go out there and sell on Amazon successfully? So number one point that comes to mind is setting up your Amazon Seller Central account, all right? Now that is $40 to have as a monthly bill. But for those of you guys that don't know, and I tell this all my students, is always open up your Amazon Seller Central store or account first, because Amazon will refund you if you don't sell for the first month, third month, or even fourth, fifth, sixth month, or 12th month, whatever it may be. They will refund every month that you don't sell on Amazon. So that is a $40 cost no matter how many months you wait. All right. So the second thing that comes to mind in the second point is finding a software that you're able to do product research to fast track your progress to finding a successful product to sell on Amazon. Now, the software that I tell my students, my subscribers to use, and I really believe in the software, is Viral Launch Product Discovery. Now, there is a link down below in the description to their website, as well as a 50% off coupon, which you can use to get their software. Now, their software is $60 per month. Now, $60 per month divided by 2, because you get the 50% off coupon down below, is $30 per month. But that leads us to $70 per month in total right as of now. Alright guys, so the next point I want to discuss is when you're using your product research tool like Product Discovery from Viral Launch, you want to input criteria into the software so you're able to go out there and find products. Now, let's go over the price point of a product that you're going to look for, especially if you only have under $1,000 to start. So the price point that I suggest is $15 to $25 starting, all right? The reason why I say $15 is because you want to have a profit margin yet. You want to be roughly $10 profit per unit. So $15 is the minimum I suggest. All right, and then the cap, I would make it at $25, no higher than $25, because that leads me to my next point, which is being able to source a product for $3 or less, and that includes shipping, all right? $3 or less, including shipping, all right? So you want to be able to go to the supplier and be able to source 250 units and then get it for $3 or less and shipped, all right? All included in the price, so $3 or less, including shipping, all right? So that will leave us with a total of $750 plus $40 on Amazon Seller Central, plus $30, right? So that's $250 plus 40 is $290 plus 30 is $820. All right, so $820 in total USD is what it's going to cost to get your product, to find your product, to have your product listed, and to be able to source it. All right. So the next step is to get images done for your listing. All right. So the listing you would do yourself, your bullet points, your product descriptions, your titles, you would do all of yourself. All right. And any tools that you would need, you would subscribe to them for 1 month. For example, the keyword research tool from Viral Launch is included in that monthly subscription that you are to use for your product research. So we're not going to include that because it's included already, like I said. But in terms of images, what you would do is go over to Fiverr. You can find five decently done well pictures for roughly $25 to $35. So that brings up our price to roughly $855 USD. All right. Now for the last point I want to cover is PPC. Now PPC, if you set up your account correctly, and for me it's done correctly, but for you it may not be done correctly. For me it's done correctly because I like to collect points. I put all my PPC on my MasterCard, all right, because I like to collect points. For someone that's trying to start off new and wants to have the PPC deducted off every sale, what they would do is make sure they change or make those changes in their Amazon Seller Central account under settings. You're able to go find it. If you want me to make a video on that, just comment down below and I'll make a video on that. But you can go out there and just change the settings so your PPC cost, which is your advertising cost, your pay-per-click cost on Amazon, which you can deduct off every sale. So that's how I would start selling on Amazon, with my hands tied behind my back, with only $1,000 in my hand of cash. But what I suggest for you guys is if you only have $1,000 to spare, it's all you have in your bank account, go and try to look for other ways to make money. And I'm not trying to tell you to scare you away from Amazon FBA, but there are ways to start with less money. For example, affiliate marketing, or maybe even drop shipping, right? Or retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is a similar form of Amazon, but where you buy and resell something off of eBay and you resell it on Amazon, or you buy off Amazon and resell it off on eBay, or whatever it may be. There's many different types of it. If you guys want me to make a video on that, I can definitely go out there and make a video on it so you guys can make an extra bit of cash. But that's generally what I suggest when trying to start Amazon and you don't quite have the capital. And another reason why I don't suggest starting with $1,000 upfront capital only is because of barriers of entry, right? So if anybody can launch a product you are selling, then everybody will, right? And that's not quite exactly the way I said it, but it generally is that case, right? Because if you're trying to sell a product that costs $3 to make and it costs $750 to source, you know, generally other people are going to be able to do it as well. Now, if you know some legality things behind it, maybe you know some contacts, maybe it's a gated product, stuff like that, you might have a bit of a win situation on that end. But generally speaking, it's going to be more competitive as time goes on. However, if you do get it on time, it may work, it may be profitable. So overall, it really is your choice if you want to do it or not. It can be very profitable, and it could also be the opposite, right? Depending on what it is. You know, sea shipping or air shipping, whatever it may be, can be quite costly depending on the size of your product, depending on the weight of it. So if you're strapped down with $1,000 only, and you maybe just got a little bit of too big of a product, and now you have this extra bill that you barely can afford, and you know, just not able to do the giveaways so you can get the page 1 right away and get that initial launch velocity going out there and getting those initial reviews right away and just skyrocketing your sales, it becomes a very difficult business model. It is doable, but it becomes very difficult. So that's why I always harp on my students to try to save up the extra capital. You know, if they could just bought the course and they weren't just able to have like $3,000-$4,000 laying around, they only had $2,000, then I try to tell them to, you know, save up a few extra $1,000 just to make it more comfortable, more affordable, and also just, you know, a better feeling when trying to get into the market, that you're able to go out there and have more units, a higher price point unit, and stuff where it's a little more competitive, where maybe you have to pay to get ungated in the category, or whatever it takes, right? Whatever you need to do to sell on Amazon, right? There's a lot of things that come along with it. But guys, so now I'm going to go into my Amazon Seller Central on my phone again and show you the numbers at the end of this video. Now again, guys, I don't make a video just like that off the cuff. As you notice, there's probably some cuts throughout the video. Videos do take me a long time, so I really do appreciate if you guys give me those thumbs up, those subscribes, and make sure to check out that free mini course in the link in the description, where we give away a ton of free value, helping you, start a business online. If you don't know what Amazon FBA is, we give you the basics. We teach you on how to get your Amazon Seller Central account set up. We teach you, product research methods that are out there. We teach you all sorts of stuff that's, out there that we're able to help you guys with. So if you haven't already, make sure you go check it out. And now we're going to go show you my numbers. All right, guys. So here are the numbers that I showed you guys earlier before the refresh. All right, as you can see, there is 102 sales. And now we're going to pull the quick refresh here. And as you can see here, we have 118 sales right now. So that is the end of the video, guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy that. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.